gentlemen, I hope you're all doing well. As you might remember, in the last video I promised you how to install the script called Smart Measure. So I'm gonna show you how to install it. It's just a few clicks and that's it. Too easy. First of all, just let you know that I left the script, the file in the description. You can find it in the video description, so you can download it, and I'm gonna show you how to install it. It's too easy. Actually, what we do, just open the folder, and this file we're gonna copy it. And so what we do next step, we're going to the install location of the 3ds Max. Open file location, you're going to the scripts, and then so because I already installed it, I have it here, but anyway it would be the same. Paste it here, replace the file, continue. All right, next step, we're just going to the 3ds Max, and here you're gonna run the script. Run script, goes here and install. Yes, install. Thank you for your purchase. Okay, there you go. That's up the script. But what we're gonna do, just push across and close it. We're going to the next step. We're going to the customize user interface, the toolbar. We're gonna make a new button for the script. Just write it down, Smart Measure. Okay, it gives us a button here, so you're gonna find out that's the button here. You're gonna find out the script, just press S button and goes down. There you go. Yep, here, Smart Measure. Gonna just grab it and leave it here. There you go. Install it. I'm gonna leave it here. No, don't need anything. Just close it. That's it. You got the script. Congratulations. We're gonna test it. There you go. Not just a box. Too easy. And script, as I said, the most popular button is live measure mode. As soon as you push it, it shows you all the measurements. Okay guys, if you have any questions or just let me know down in the comments, please. And if you have any suggestions, if you want any videos or any tutorials about the 3ds Max, so please let me know down in the comments, and I'll try to respond it as soon as possible. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. Please don't forget to, if you liked it, just push the like button and subscribe the channel for more videos and more tutorials.